In this video, we'll walk through how to add surveys to your website. This is a powerful way to gather feedback from visitors before your event or from the attendees afterwards. Let's get started. I have already created a few surveys under the survey. For this example, I'm adding the pre-event survey, which is designed to help make networking more meaningful during the event. One of the key questions I ask attendees is about their main reason for attending. This helps me connect people with similar goals or complementary interests. To add this to the website, I now go to the website builder. From here, I open the Elements menu on the left and scroll down to the Widgets section. I drag the survey widget onto the page. Since I have multiple surveys, I need to choose the right one. And I do this by clicking the Settings wheel and selecting the survey I want to display. In the same Settings panel, I can also customize the text and background color of the survey separately from the rest of the site design. If I ever want to switch the survey to another one, I can return to the settings and select a different one from the drop-down menu. For example, after the event, I can switch the survey to be the post-event survey and collect feedback. To delete the survey widget from the page, I can click on the trash can icon. Deleting the survey from the website will not delete the survey itself. It just removes it from public view on the website. This is all there is to know about the survey widget. Thank you for watching this video.